Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Google Pixel 7. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. Now press screencast button, select your TV. Now when your TV is connected with the smartphone, you can play any music you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to disconnect your smartphone from TV, simply press screencast button again and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.